Welcome to NW Services, a hints and tips video for anybody that's starting out with water-fed pole window cleaning. If you've purchased yourself an Unger Hydropower, first generation, the one that takes the normal bags of resin. If you've purchased one of these second hand, you do see them pop up, and it may be an alternative to having standard DI vessels. They're very much easier to use, less mess. But this is the Unger Hydropower 6 litre. If you purchase one of these and your flow is a bit off and you're not getting much flow for it, if you get a T25 Torx screwdriver, undo the 4 stainless steel screws in the base, carefully lift out the screen in the bottom, the red screen, turn it upside down, take it inside, give it a wash with high pressure water under your shower, and just clean it off, because you do get a lot of the algae, mildew, black stringy goo that forms up over time from water that's left sat in there, and that can get worse with different temperatures. Whether it's summer, winter, it's not so much of a problem. But if you're getting black goo and your flow isn't very good, take the screen out, give it a clean, and you should sort that out. But it's a hints and tips video. These here, when they first came out, were relatively expensive. You can pick these up in good condition, A1 condition, still for £100. I picked up another one for 50 quid. Someone was selling it, didn't know what it was, so I knocked them down considerably. But this one was absolutely gummed up inside. The overall presentation of the unit is spotless. It looks like it's not been used. But I took the cover off and a load of goo just started pouring out. So take the screen out, give it a wash out, and then reassemble it and put your resin bag in. And also, if you're using these resin bags, camera will focus, you fuck. If you're using these resin bags, they are expensive in packs of 4. However, there's only a cable tie holding it on. If you make yourself a funnel and get yourself some decent Tolson resin and weigh these to 6 kilograms, you can reuse them, re-cable tie it, and keep filling it up as and when you can. But a top tip from Austin here. If you've got any comments, feel free to leave them below in the video. Comments below, hit subscribe, click the bell icon, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.